Hi everyone, welcome to Exponents and Powers topic of class 8th. Dear friends, in previous session we have discussed few problems in exercise 4.1. Now in this session we are going to continue from that. Okay, so in this session we are going to discuss question number 4 onwards. Okay, in that question number 4 here they are given simplified give regions. Okay, what is that question? 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Okay, so to simplify it we have to use laws of exponents. So what are the laws of exponents? Just we recall those are. So here first one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. The meaning of it is if bases are equal in the middle, if it is a multiplication sign, then powers must be added. Okay. Similarly, here base is equal, so powers added. Here bases are not equal, but powers are equal. So then bases we multiplied. So a power m into b power m is equal to ab whole to the power of m. And come to this one. Here base is equal, but middle is equal to sign present. Okay. Here present. What is the here sign is equal between these two. So that in this case you have to equate the exponents, that means m is equal to n. Clear? So this is the main difference between first one, fifth one and sixth one. Now come to the second one. A by b whole to the power of m is equal to a power m by b power m, where b is not equal to 0, and a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n when m is greater than 1. And if m is equal to n, then the value of a power m by a power n is equal to 1. Already we discussed this how it is. And if m is lesser than 1, then the formula for a power m by a power n is equal to 1 by whole to the power of a power n minus 1. Okay, clear? Now come to the point. Next, seventh one is most important. You may get confusion, but very easy. No need to get confused. That is, a to the power of minus n can be written as 1 by a power n, 1 whole by a power n. Okay, here the denominator is a power n and the numerator is 1. In this 1 by a power minus n, if in our problem if we present this form, so we have to write 1 by a to the power of minus n as a power plus n. Okay, clear? Now based on this we will see, and also if the power is negative, okay, we have to write the base as reciprocal to it. We have to write the base as reciprocal to it. Okay, clear? That means a by b whole to the power of minus n can be written as b by a whole to the power of plus n. If a is minus, then a by b whole to the power of plus m. Okay, that's it. So same way we are going to apply now formulas. Okay, clear? Now see, 4 to the power of 0 value is how much we know already, that is a to the power of 0 value is always 1. We already listed here. Sorry, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1, where a is not equal to 0. So this value is 1 plus 5 power minus 1 can be written as a power minus 1 is equal to 1 by n. By using that it can be written as 1 by 5 into 5 square value is 25 into 1 by 3. 5 square value is how much? 25 and 1 by 3. So here 1 plus 1 by 5 value how much? Clearly 5 is LCM. So 5 plus 1 by 5 into 25 into 1 by 3. So 5 plus 1 value how much? 6 by 5 into 25 into 1 by 3. So if we simplify 5 1 jar, 5 5 jar, clear? Now 3 1 jar, 3 2 jar, 6. So the remaining is how much? 2 into 5 into 1, 10 by 1 into 1 means 1 itself. So what is the final answer? 10. Okay, clear? Now come to the second one. That is, here if you observe here 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 and 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. If you observe here all our exponents are same, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Here powers are same, so here bases are not equal. So which is a suitable formula to it? Yeah, that is sixth one. A b whole to the power of m is equal to a power m into b power m. If you read reverse, a power m into b power m is equal to a b whole to the power of m. Here powers same. Okay, m. Bases are different. So that in this case we have to write this way. So we have to multiply the bases and writings by single exponent, that is like this. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. Clear? So multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5. This becomes 2 4 are 8, 4 5 are, sorry, 2 4 are 8, 8 5 are 40. 1 into 1 into 1, 1 by 2 4 are 8, 8 5 are 40, whole to the power of minus 3. Again we got this 8th one. See, a by b whole to the power of minus m can be written as b by a whole to the power of plus m. So that it can be written as 40 by 1 whole to the power of plus 3. That is nothing but 40 into the power of 3. So what is the answer? 40 to the power of 3. So this is the final answer. So these problems are very easy. So these are very easy problems to solve. Don't worry about that. Okay, clear? Yeah. Now we are going to solve remaining questions in this question number 4. Yeah, now see my dear friends how to solve this question number 3, that is 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 by 4. See, all are exponents are negative exponents. So that how to write? See, clearly we know how to write it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. So apply this formula. My dear students, you should write for every step you have to write reason. Which formula we have applied? We have to write right side. Okay, right side of this step. Clear? Now, so how? Now you have to simplify the brackets. So what is here? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So here, what are the denominators present here? 2, 3, 4. Then what about the LCM? So the LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 2 1 jar, 3, 2 2 jar. So 2 3 are 6, 6 3, 6 2 jar, 12 is the LCM. Okay, clear. So what is the LCM here? 12 is the LCM. So if you write here, 2 divides 12 6 times, so 6 1 jar 6 plus 3 divides 12 4 times. So 4 into 1 4 plus 4 divides 12 3 times, so 3 1 jar 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, clear. Now managing rough work, see 3 plus 6, sorry 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. So 13 3 are 39 by 12 4 are 48. Any common table? No other common table, so that answer is 39 by 48. So very simple. Now see how to simplify it. So here clearly here 3 power minus 2 by 3 power 3 is given. 3 power minus 2 by 3 power 3 is given. So that I am writing like this. 3 power minus 2 into 1 by 3 into 3 power 0 value is 1 minus 3 power minus 1. Okay, let me write it like this only as it is. Okay, clear? Now it is a negative exponent. So how to write by using 7th formula? I can write it as 1 by 3 square into 1 by 3 into 3 power 0 value, means a power 0 value 1 minus 3 power minus n minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now simplification. 1 by 3 square into 3 here into LCM is 3. So 3 minus 1. So 1 by 3 power 2 plus 1 here. Bases are equal, so 1 by 3 power 3 into 2 by 3. So the final answer is 2 power 3 cube into 3. 3 cube into 3 value how much? 3 power 4. 3 power 4 value 81. So 2 by 81 is final answer. What is my answer for this? 2 by 81 is the final answer. Okay. Just we applied these laws of exponents and we simplified. So these are very easy problems. Don't worry about this. Just you have to remember formulas and how to know simplification. We must know, like simplification of the fractions and multiplication, product of the fractions. These are okay. Clear? Yeah. See, in the same way we can solve question number 5th also in this 4th bit, that is 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of 0. So this can be written as 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 power 0 value 1. Okay, clear? Now clearly here 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Okay, now what is the LCM of these denominators? Yeah, 2 3 are 6. Here 1 divides 6 6 times, so the 2 into 6 12 plus here 2 divides 6 3 times. Is it 2 3 are 6? So multiply by 3 in the numerator, then 3 plus 3 divides 6 2 times, so 1 into 2 2. Okay, clear. Now 12 plus 2, 14 plus 3, 17 by 6 is the final answer. Okay, simple. So just we applied the seventh problem, seventh formula and fourth one, fourth and seventh. A power 0 value 1 and e to the power of minus 1 n is 1 by a power n. Okay, clear. Now come to this one. Job, most point I forgot to write that a power n whole to the power of n. The ninth formula is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a power m into n. So here we got another formula, that is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So based on this we can write it as 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 whole to the power of 2 can be written as 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 into 2. 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 into 2. So here how to write it? See, I applied this formula. Here base is 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2, again whole to the power to the power form. We call it as power to the power form. Just you have to multiply these two. Then the final answer is 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 4. But here is a negative power, so it should not keep here. So change again. We know how to write by using 8th formula, that is 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4. We can keep answer like this, or else we can simplify it, where 2 power 4 value is 16 and 3 power 4 value is 81. Okay, this is the end of the solution. So in this way I have to simplify by using laws of exponents. So these 9 formulas we must keep in our mind to solve these problems. Okay, clear? Now we are going to solve the question number 5 in this exercise. Now see, my dear children, this question number 5, it is most important one, that is simplify and give reasons. Same model, but we have different here. Power to the power forms are here, so you can write it as 3 square value. We obviously we know clearly 3 into 3 9 minus 2 square value 2 into 2 4 divided by 1 by 5. So divided by 1 by 5 can be written as into 5 by 1 whole square. Okay, clear? See, I simplified and according to Bartman's first bracket, 9 minus 4 5. For 5 into 5 whole square, that is equal to 25 square. So 25 square means 625. So the answer is 625. So this simplification final answer is how much? 625. Easier and very simple but tricky. So 3 power 2 minus 2 power 2, 9 minus 4 into. So I changed division sign into product multiplicative sign. So 1 by 5, reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. So whenever we change the symbol from into to, from division sign to multiplication sign, from division to multiplication, then we have to write in this way. Reciprocal of the divisor you should write. Okay, clear? So 9 minus 4 value 5 into 5 whole square, that is 25 square 625. Clear? Now see. Now see the second one. Clear? So this is completed solution. This is the final answer. Now see this one. Here also see power to the power form. Okay. So 5 power 2 whole to the power of 3. Formula is a to the power of m whole to the power of n, that is equal to a to the power of m into n. In the same way 5 to the power of 2 into 3, 6. Whole to the power of 5 to the power of 4 by 5 to the power of 6. Okay. Divided by 5 to the power of 6. Okay. Now here 5 to the power of 6, 5 to the power of gets cancelled. 5 to the power of 6 by 5 to the power of 6 gets cancelled 1. So what is the remaining? 5 to the power of 4. Simple. So is it easier? Very easy. But we have what formula we have applied here? That is a power m whole to the power of n is equal to a power m into n. And also here we used a power m by a power n formula also, where here m is equal to n. 6 and 6 are equal. So that here the value is 1. Okay. Get the power of m minus n. Okay, clear? So these two formulas we applied here. Simplified. Okay. So the another way to solve this problem is here without cancellation. Here base into bases are equal, so powers must be added. Then it can be written as 5 power 6 plus 4 by 5 to the power of 6, that is equal to 5 to the power of 10 by 5 to the power of 6. Here again a power m by a power n, so I can write it as 5 to the power of 10 minus 6. Again we get same answer. Okay. In this way also we can solve. Okay, this is another way. After this step, okay, after this step you can follow like this also, you will get same answer. Okay, better your wish. It is better for descriptive, it is for competitive, so no problem, any one method you can follow. Okay, clear? Yeah. So dear students, now we are going to solve question number 6, which is most selected models in for examination point of view, and also particularly in competitive examination point of view. Okay, so that is question number 6. Find the value of n in each of the following cases. In that first one I have written. So what is that? Here 2 by 3 whole the power of 3 into 2 by 3 whole the power of 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole the power of n minus 2. If you observe the left hand side part of the given question, here the bases are equal 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, and the middle what is the sign is given into. So what is the suitable formula to it? That is first one, that is a power m into a power n is equal to the power of m plus n. So that I can write it as 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. So which formula we have used here? We have applied here. Yeah, that is a power m into n, a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Product rule. We have applied here product rule. Okay, clear? Now, then what is the next step? Just simplify first. So 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 plus 5 value 8, that is equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. Where m plus n you have to use for each step because it is an equation. Okay, is equal sign is present here. Okay, now next step, see here. Here also if you observe this mathematical equation, the numerical equation, here 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, here bases are equal, and what is the sign in the middle? Is equal. Then powers are equal. See how this is the formula, question formula number 5. So I am going to write, therefore I can write it as 8 is equal to n minus 2. Since here a power n, m is equal to a power n, then if and only if m is equal to n. Okay, ఒకవేళ బేసెస్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండి మిడిల్ లో is equal sign ఉంటే here exponents కూడా ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి. That is the meaning of this equation. Okay, so from this I am trying to find the value of n. So I am shifting minus 2 to other side, then it becomes plus 2. So 8 plus 2 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 10. Therefore n is equal to 10. Clear? This is n is equal to 10. Okay, better. Now, so this is a very simple but important for board examination point of view. Okay, clear? Now I am going to solve remaining two problems present in this question number 6. Dear students, now I am going to solve second one in this question number 6, that is minus 3 whole to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 whole to the power of 5 is equal to minus 3 to the power of minus 4. So in the, like previous problem. So here also see bases are equal and middle is into sign. So we can multiplication sign. So I can write it as, so first time what is given I am writing. So simple, see minus 3 whole to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 whole to the power of 5 is equal to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Clear? Now clearly if you observe the left hand side of is equal sign, how it is? It is in the form bases equal and powers not equal, and middle is into sign. So question formula number 1. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. This is in the form a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 3 minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 plus 5. So I have to add both powers. Okay, that is minus 3 power minus 4 is the right hand side is remaining. So what is the formula I have applied here? That is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, clear? Now here minus 3 to the power of n plus 6, 1 plus 5 value of 6, that is equal to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. That is equal to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Clear? Now if you observe this one, here base is equal and what is the middle sign? Is equal to. So like this. So this is in this form. Okay, that is a power m is equal to a power n. Then if and only if m is equal to n. If a power m is equal to the power of n, then m is equal to n. If m is equal to n, the meaning of it is if m is equal to n, then a power m is equal to a power n, vice versa. Okay, so that I can write it as here n plus 6 is equal to minus 4. Okay, so what is the formula I have applied here? That is If you add to the power of n, m is equal to the power of n, then m is equal to n. Okay, clear? Yeah. So here n value how much? Minus 4 minus 6, that is minus 10. Okay. So both are having same sign, so I should add and keep same sign. So that is what is my n value? Minus 10. I repeat. Here observe bases are equal and in the middle here is a into sign. So that I have to add powers. I have added. So minus 3 whole to the power of n plus 1 plus 5. The sum is n plus 6. That is equal to minus 3 to the power of minus 4. Okay. Then next. Here also if you observe the bases are equal and middle is equal to sign present here. So that powers are equal. So what are those here? N plus 6 and minus 4. These two exponents are equal. So that n plus 6 is equal to minus 4. I have equated. Okay, clear? Now n is equal to transpose 6 other side, it becomes minus 4 minus 6. By transposing we will get the value of n is minus 10. Clear? So this is the way we can solve problems of this class of exponents. Very easy. And now we are going to solve the last question of this session, that is sixth question, third bit. Okay, third one we are going to solve. Okay, I hope you are all clear about these solutions, I think. So then why hit the like button and write in comment section. Okay, feedback. Okay, but now we are going to solve last question of this session, that is same way we have to find the value of n. That is 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 7 to the power of 3. So very easiest question and very important one. That is what is the question? 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 7 to the power of 3. This is given. Okay, it is a given form question. Okay. Now what I am going to do, so I am writing as it is and I am changing the division symbol into multiplicative sign. So then it becomes 1 by 49, where 49 can be written as 7 square is equal to 7 cube. Any objection for you? Yes, no objection, because we can write 49 as 7 into 7, 7 square. Okay, clear now. So the next step is, I am writing like this: 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 by 7 square, that is equal to 7 to the power of 3. Now if you observe, my dear students, here the bases are same 7, 7 and the exponents are different. Now what is the sign in the middle? Into. So that how to write it? Yeah, it is in the form a power m by a power n. Okay, it is in the form a power m by a power n. Here what is a? 7. What is m? 2n plus 1. What is n? 2. So is equal to 7 cube. So 7 cube you have to continue like this. Okay. So then it can be written as 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 minus 2. Okay, clear? Which formula I have applied here? A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Clear? So that is equal to 7 cube. You have to continue. Now if you, so here what is the step? 7 power. I have applied the formula a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Then 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 7. Clear? Clear. Now 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 minus 2, how much? Both are integers only, but one is positive and another one is negative, so that we have to subtract minus 1. Why minus? Because bigger number is negative sign, so is equal to 7 cube. Now my dear students, if you observe this equation, here 7 7 bases are equal and what is the sign in the middle? Is equal to, so it is similar to the formula a power m is equal to a power n, then m is equal to n. So in that case we can write as 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, clear? Now I am changing minus 1 to other side, then it becomes plus 1. So 2n is equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Okay, then what about n value? If 2n is equal to 4, then n is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. Okay, clear? So what is our n value? The n value is 2. We can simplify also by substituting in this. In the previous session, what we have done? Yeah, in linear equation 1 by also, after getting answer we verified. So in exponents and power also we can verify. For example, I am verifying this question C. Here n value is 2, so that I can write it as 2 into 2 plus 1 by 49 can be written as 7 square. So 7 4 2 2 are 4 plus 1 5 by 7 square. Okay, then it can be 7 4 5 minus 2 by using formula a4m by a4n is equal to a4m minus n. So 7 4 minus 5 minus 2 value is 7 4 3. Okay, this is the way we can find out. Is it? So we checked and we got the RHS. So that what is our value of n? 2 is our answer. So what is the correct answer? 2. Is it clear? Now in this way we can solve many number of problems by using these laws of exponents. Whether this is a very easy problems, many students, don't worry about this. Just you revise these laws of exponents many number of times. Okay. So then we can solve many number of problems. Okay. Good. Thank you, my dear students. This is the end of this session. I hope you are all clear about these solutions. If not, please revise again, once again, and prepare your notes. Okay. Don't forget to prepare the notes and don't forget to hit the like button and drop a message in the comments box. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.